Chang'an Automobile has introduced the Chang'an Lumin Corn Mini electric car technology in China. Quoting from CarScoops and AutoHome.com.cn, Chang'an Lumin Corn was introduced as a new player in the small electric car segment. Lumin Corn will certainly face Wuling Mini EV, Dongfeng Feng Guang Mini EV, Cherry QQ Ice Cream, and Baojun Kiwi. Like its competitors, Lumin Corn has a tiny body with a length of 3,270 mm, width of 1,700 mm, height of 1,545 mm and a wheelbase of 1,980 mm. Apart from the tiny dimensions, Lumin Corn also has a body design that is no less cute than its competitors. This small electric car has a facade design formed by round headlights, a blunt silhouette with a curved front, and an air dam shaped like a smile. The cute face blends well with the roof and box-shaped rear design. Entering the interior, Chang'an Lumin Corn welcomes drivers and passengers with a simple, colorful cabin. Then for its features, Chang'an Lumin Corn is equipped with a digital instrument screen and a 10.25-inch head unit with cell phone and Bluetooth connections. What are the specifications? Lumin Corn is equipped with an electric motor with a power of 30 kilowatts or 40.7 horsepower. At its launch, Chang'an Lumin Corn comes in two battery options, namely 12.92 kWh and 17.65 kWh. Chang'an claims that each battery has a range of 155 km and 210 km according to China Light Duty Vehicle Test Cycle (CLTC) standards. If that's not enough, Chang'an is preparing a long-range battery for Lumin Corn with a capacity of 27.99 kWh. This large battery is said to have a one-time charging range of 301 km according to CLTC.